Hello guys, today, I figured out how to get an infinite knob farm. So, you're gonna want to go to your VIP servers. Some people who only play on Xbox wouldn't understand that. So switch to a different device, and then go servers at the bottom of the, and then create a new private server, join in, and you'll see super hard mode. And then you decide to play it, but then you find it really fun, so you decide to play even more. And then after you want to take a break, you find out that you have a lot more than usual. So that's, yeah. Bye.